2025 Kia K4 First Look, Kia's all-new small, cheap car with a hatch version. Kia has totally reinvented its compact sedan and renamed it the K4 going forward, and it's bringing back the hatch. Earlier this year, we learned that the affordable and compact Kia Rio likely wouldn't be making a return to the US anytime soon, but we were reassured by the Korean automaker that it would have something for those shoppers this year with a successor to the compact Kia Forte sedan. Now, Kia has fully revealed the combined Rio and Forte replacement, the 2025 Kia K4. Beyond the new name, here's what we know about the new car ahead following its full reveal at the New York International Auto Show, NYAS, this week, which included the surprise drop of a 5-door hatchback variant. In the past, Kia claims the Rio was often cross-shopped with better equipped or more capable used cars from other brands, and so it didn't do much for Kia. Apparently the Forte sedan is much better at satisfying customer needs and making sure they eventually trade up to another Kia. Considering both take up the same manufacturing space, it made sense to cut the smaller Rio for the more usefully shaped, not much pricier Forte, and perhaps even invest in making the fairly efficient and optionally sporty Forte even better. That's exactly what it looks like has happened with the 2025 Kia K4, given our piqued interest at the first impression of its new look. Kia K4 design. Kia has labeled the exterior design approach as twist logic, which is said to create a modern and unique body shape by twisting the connections of logically aligned squares in a seemingly illogical fashion. Since we only were given a brief look at the hatch, this story will focus largely on the sedan, whose profile reveals a 4-door with fastback styling which contrasts with the current, 2-box setup of the Forte. The wide stance and fastback look similar to the Mercedes-Benz CLS and Audi A7, or even the discontinued Kia Stinger, and L-shaped head and tail lights reminiscent of Cadillac cars all screams luxury, which is impressive for what's expected to be the most affordable Kia in the US when it goes on sale. Kia says it's now the widest in the compact sedan class and with the biggest footprint, measuring an overall length of 185.4 inches and width of 72.8 inches. The front also gets Kia's Constellation lights and the rear gets a sporty diffuser of sorts under the bumper. The interior isn't as driver-focused as some of its competitors, with buttons and screens specifically angled toward the left, nor as you might expect from its sportier new look, but Kia still claims it's divided in intention between driver and passenger graphically and with functions. Kia says the driver zone is still technical and machine in character versus the passenger side, which is comfortable and human. There is a shared screen between the occupants on the dashboard, but with a select set of physical control buttons for main screen menus and air conditioning, as well as a rotary dial for input. Rear occupants enjoy 38 inches of legroom and a claimed best-in-class 37.3 inches of headroom now. New, luxurious interior outfits include medium gray, slate green, and onyx black colorways. A wide sunroof, heated and ventilated front seats, and premium Harman Kardon audio are all available, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard on every trim. Out back, the trunk space affords 14.6 cubic feet of cargo capacity. Virtual Digital Key 2.0 is available for NFC-equipped cards or devices to unlock doors or transfer access to someone else remotely. There's an available so-called acoustic windshield for improved cabin noise quality. There's a nice advanced drive assistance setup with standard speed limit assist, lane keeping assist, and smart cruise control. There's also available evasive steering assist, surround view monitor, parking distance warning, and updated highway driving assist. GT line models get standard blind spot collision warning and rear cross traffic alert, and are offered with additional blind spot collision avoidance assist and blind spot view monitor features, and there's available forward collision avoidance on the GT line turbo trim. Kia K4 GT line and GT line turbo. The new GT line models get a unique design up front and in the rear with gloss black touches, satin chrome along the belt line, and gloss black mirror caps, window trims, and side sills, along with 18-inch alloy wheels, with acoustic tires for improved NVH, and a unique 3-spoke steering wheel inside. The GT line turbo models get the same, with the addition of cube LED projection headlights and LED fog lights. These two higher trips also get an upgraded and sport-tuned multi-link rear suspension setup. Kia K4 power, price, and performance. Hopefully the seemingly luxurious execution of the new Kia K4's design doesn't creep the price up too much. The outgoing Kia Forte LX entry-level trim starts at $21,145, making 147 HP and 132 lb-ft of torque from a 2.0-liter four-cylinder gas engine good for 30 mpg city, 41 mpg highway, and 34 mpg combined, EPA estimated. It's still unclear if the current Forte GT's manual transmission might carry over on a future even sportier model, but for now, the K4 will go on sale with available LX, LXS, X, GT line and GT line turbo trims. The hatchback variant shown briefly at the New York show will see a more detailed debut later, and will follow the K4 sedan to market. The standard setup is a 2.0-liter four-cylinder producing 147 horsepower and 132 lb-ft of torque linked to a CVT, with an available 1.6-liter turbocharged unit good for 190 horsepower and 195 lb-ft of torque through an 8-speed automatic transmission. It'll go into production this summer and should be on sale in the second half of the year with a 10-year/100,000 limited warranty. A more detailed breakdown of trims, efficiency, and pricing will announced closer to the summer.